Did you guys see the OnlyFans thing where the guy was dating this girl, and because the girl made an OnlyFans account, he broke up with her. So like, what are your thoughts on that? What do you think about that?
If he's able to bring the money, then okay, I delete the account. But if there's no money, OnlyFans and I are going to, make the money there. Because you can't tell me not, okay, I am trying to find a way to make money for myself.
Mm-hmm.
And you can't tell me don't make money, because that's OnlyFans is bringing money. Because you don't have to do anything on OnlyFans and they still get paid. Because I saw a girl's picture here, and she had an emoji cover her body.
Right.
But the boy paid $35 to see the picture. And after he paid the money and the picture got reviewed, it was just soap all over, like foam. Like you couldn't even see anything.
Right.
So who is getting duped? There's not the stupid boy for paying for the picture and not seeing it. So we can just end up doing videos covering everything and nobody not doing anything at the end and still get your money. So if he's angry about the fact that
isn't that fraud?
It's not fraud.
That's fraud.
I was gonna get there because how long can you keep that up?
Yeah.
How long
Because once everybody knows, then the source of the income is not coming anymore.
So
Once in a while, then you post something proper now.
Exactly. So is that it to start getting to the point where you can't deceive no more? You have to actually show something to get more. You realize that
What
you can't get money anymore. We're talking about
the guy that broke up with his girlfriend because she created an OnlyFans account.
Oh, he broke up with her. From the video, he broke up. I just heard him shouting. I'm like,
that's the fight about the breakup.
That's because she wanted him to talk to her like, why would you break up with me? And from that video, I gathered that they already discussed it and he disagreed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or that issue has come up before and he strongly said he doesn't like it, he doesn't want it, he doesn't want her to do it.
Mm-hmm.
But then she went on to do it behind his back.
But in the video, she also asked him, "Are you ready to pay my bills?" That's what she said.
That's
so
what I'm coming
what
from
you're
too.
telling me now is OnlyFans is the only way to pay your bills.
To pay your bills.
It's not the only way, but it's the fastest way at the moment.
And then
That's fine. Go and do it by yourself.
Very, very simple.
It's very, very simple.
We make decisions,
yes,
and there are consequences for the decision.
that is it.
Anyway,
I'm not against her. Like, don't get me wrong.
No. It's
But
good for her.
Do whatever you want.
It's good for her. Exactly.
Express yourself.
Yes.
And do whatever you got to do for your fans. But the painful thing for this whole thing on the guy part is they had a conversation about
it, and
if they didn't, his approach may be different.
Yes.
But after I've told you, no. Me as a guy, I will not even tell you what to do.
I'm not even there now.
It's your decision. Once you make your decision, then I'll make my own decision. Right? I'm gonna tell you, do OnlyFans. No, don't do OnlyFans. But he had already told you what he wants. Now it's fine. You don't have to listen to him. You're a queen. I stand. I agree. But when you've done what you want to do, you can't now come and fault him for making his own decision. That's wrong.
He already told you where he stood.
If OnlyFans is paying your bills,
you
can pay your bills. You don't have to be in a relationship to pay your bills.
I can literally.
Be single and pay your bills.
He asked, "Would you pay my bills?" I would just gladly tell her, "No, I can't." OnlyFans will go.
Good. Yeah, but like I kind of disagree with you guys, man. Like,
I like you.
If you have to wait for it.
They've asked if the guy cannot. If the woman is willing to do what she needs to do to put food on the table,
on whose table?
On their table.
On her table.
On her table. She was saying,
no, it's not just her. It's going to be both of them.
No.
She
That
said,
guy,
"Pay my
I'm
bills."
telling you.
Okay, she said pay my bills, but I feel like they were living together, so it was
these are the
it was the money to.
How did you make that assumption that they were living together?
So even if they're not,
You just had the argument in.
even if they're not living together, right? Like you're in a relationship with somebody,
Okay.
right? And you're taking care of her.
Who? Why?
Why not?
Why? What do you mean?
Let me just say something here. A relationship has money. If there's no money, please sit down in your house.
I agree with
Don't
you.
date anybody.
I agree with you. Until you have money to take care of
Take
a
care of
relationship,
somebody.
don't enter the relationship.
Exactly.
But if inside this relationship, we're already inside the relationship.
We're already inside it.
This is not. If you were doing OnlyFans and I started toasting you while you're doing OnlyFans, you can come and talk this talk now.
Yes.
We were inside the relationship and you brought up the OnlyFans conversation and I told you my mind. And you now went ahead and did what you had to do for the bills. Baby, that's fine. Pay your bills from OnlyFans. We're not together again.
Yes.
Like, I don't know how hard this is. I'm not guilt tripping you for doing what you're doing, but the same way you made your decision.
You know guilt tripping, but there's no way the way the guy did it. There's no way there's no way that guy isn't guilt tripping the babe.
How? Well, like,
Because he's first of all he's yelling at the babe like, because I told you not to create it.
no, because the girl wants to have a conversation. That conversation had already been.
No, but clearly the guy was playing games.
Yes.
He was playing game on his.
And she's come to interrupt his game because
No, it's a serious conversation.
It's a serious conversation.
It's a serious
How do you break
conversation.
up with me because of OnlyFans?
I did not break up
Are you
with you.
guys listen to what you're saying?
I did not break up with you because of OnlyFans.
It's not Pornhub or something that everybody is
And then
seeing.
it's Pornhub for now.
For now, it is.
That's Pornhub for now because
It is.
we've not gotten.
to make
basically,
money,
it's
you
not
have to-
what
you have to sell.
everybody is seeing. If you get that, you have to pay, and not just pay
What?
$1 or pay. You have to pay a lot of money to.
No, you
see
fix
her.
your price though. You can charge whatever
Exactly.
you
You
want.
can
Yeah.
charge.
Yeah, so she could be
Nobody's
charging.
going
She
to-
could be charging $1.
But you're selling
Nobody's going
content.
to charge $1.
And what are you selling there?
She's selling what she wants to sell.
Which
Safari
is-
and his wife has
don't be
OnlyFans.
merry-go-rounding.
Let's
What
not
is she selling?
sugarcoat this.
Let's do exactly.
Let,
What she
we know
selling?
what OnlyFans is in these times. OnlyFans.
And trust me, for homeboy to be upset,
Yeah.
she's not covering her face. Or doing
She's
this
not.
one. No,
Probably
she's
not.
not.
You guys never know. She might just be starting.
my guy knows, and I believe him.
And I agree. Another reason why I agree with what he did was because the moment if he lets this one slide now, bro, it's only gonna go up from here, bro. I swear it will get worse. Let's say she's
but
doing-
like he can come to a compromise and sort of manage what's going on. Like it's a
Exactly.
conversation that they can both have. Like Mio, like so now my question now is, so if you're dating somebody who's pretty and you know that let's say the person is an influencer to start off with, right?
Okay.
And is probably making money as an influencer.
Okay.
And it's okay, I want to take it up a notch. I want to do OnlyFans. We don't know what they're doing on OnlyFans. It could be explicit, it could be non-explicit. If I have someone who's a partner and honestly like they've tried everything and that's the next step for them to go, I'm down.
when she's
As soon as
influencing,
money is
how is
coming,
she
right?
influencing?
Exactly.
How is she influencing? Like what is she doing? Like
I don't know. Like, it could be anything. People do anything online. Does
good.
influencers.
So like you kind of have to put it in perspective because except if OnlyFans they do something in OnlyFans that I don't know about because I'm likening OnlyFans to Pornhub.
No, it's not just that. It's not just that.
What
Those
are
are-
they doing on OnlyFans? Please?
I don't know. I'm not
Like,
OnlyFans.
it's
You know what they do on
only your
OnlyFans?
fans. Some people can
Only your
say
fans will know.
singing for just only my fans.
Exactly.
Dancing for just only my
Okay,
fans.
so what is she do? So what is she doing there then? That means we don't know the full story.
We don't know. Well,
because
exactly.
she can be praying for only her fans too.
Exactly.
Okay, fact. Then
Okay, no.
then
But
I've not changed my decision until I know
until I know
exactly
No,
what
but
happened.
I still stand by my decision because like I get what Dre said. We could negotiate and maybe you could like kind of
You
talk
don't know
about
the,
what could
the money that they're making OnlyFans, bro.
You see the money. It's
She's going to
it's
make more than that
money.
guy. He will throw it in his face.
No, but like
There's
so
money
these are the
inside.
same people that will now come and be telling you tomorrow that money is not everything, money is this, that.
And
you're not
money
the
is
person
everything.
And
guys-
now money is
and now
everything.
money is
Money is always
everything.
everything.
And you're not
Money
the
is
person that's
always
not going to come
everything.
and because of money.
I stand by this. A lady came out online and said she did OnlyFans for 3 months and she bought a house.
Exactly.
Bro,
How much was the house?
I don't
It
care.
wasn't a small. So I think I saw the
We
picture.
just know that
wasn't
she's
small.
definitely
It
not
wasn't a
doing.
small house.
She's definitely not doing non-explicit content. I'm telling you that. I will put my
You
pants
guys
down for
never
it.
know. You guys never
What
know.
I
you
will
doing?
know. I will know.
See,
What are
okay,
you doing?
Teaching us
know
artificial
what?
intelligence
You
and
can have
OnlyFans?
like a rare talent, maybe drink milk up her nose or something.
That's
crazy.
crazy. Yeah,
You
that's
get?
something
and
crazy.
that's what only she wants. Only her fans.
When she's
to
doing something
see.
crazy, she will probably die in 3
I like
months.
the way
Not
you-
buy a house in 3 months.
I like the way you're spinning this thing.
Yeah.
DJ Spino. She's giving us angles on top of this one
Oh
thing.
my
Nah, man.
God.
So if you have a partner and she wants to go into OnlyFans,
What's she doing on OnlyFans? Now clearly what I thought they're doing on OnlyFans is not all they are doing. She has changed it for me now, and I accept that.
so if she's putting soap on her titties and
Is she
just,
showing the titties?
she's teasing.
She's teasing them.
Eventually, teasing leads to some
So
fun.
if I tease too, if your partner is teasing his prick,
See, as long as let me tell you something.
Answer.
If my partner is doing OnlyFans,
yeah,
if money is coming,
okay.
You will join it.
please. As long as there's
Please
money
what?
on the
Please
table,
continue doing it.
Continue. I can't even join you. So let us make the money, because money is important. I'm just letting you know.
As they say,
Well, if money is that important that you have to throw away, like let's say they were already in a relationship and he probably has some certain level of values or principles or whatnot, which you should have already understood, and then because of OnlyFans, you want to throw
My
all
question
of that
is,
away.
my question
No.
is principle giving you money?
We'll find a way. It's not.
I like you.
That video is not.
No,
That
see,
video is
trust
not
me.
from these poor countries.
At the end of the day, right? I'm not like Madam has every right to do her OnlyFans.
Right.
Now, if homeboy isn't comfortable with the decision you have made,
Right.
he's not like you can't force him to be in a relationship that he doesn't want to be in anymore.
Right. But also, I feel like the guy is not looking at the bigger picture.
What is this bigger picture?
First of all, he has a roommate. We're talking about people that can go on OnlyFans and get their house in 3 months or less. You know what I'm saying? Times are hard now. That guy is probably working on a stimulus check.
And nobody's going to remember after. Like,
Exactly.
Nobody gives.
That's what you think. Maybe his that whole decision is going to like pester him for the rest of it. You don't know his upbringing, you don't know his story.
That's why
I don't know his story
and
either.
whatnot, yeah.
But like what I'm saying is the same way Auntie went to go and like this conversation honestly would have been different if they did not have a discussion about this thing.
Yes.
But listen,
So
I'm
how
not.
do you know they had a discussion about it? Were you
No,
there?
he said it.
He said it, they said it, yeah.
in the video.
They
Like,
said
he
it in
told
the
her,
video.
right? But that doesn't still mean that his word is Lord. No, if
Yeah.
if he has said it and you still want to do otherwise, by all means, go ahead and do it.
Okay.
But all I'm saying is there are consequences, and
Yeah.
you just got to live with it.
Consequences either ways, because he has consequences for breaking up and she has consequences
She hasn't
for doing that.
built her house yet.
the boy.
Even if they miss the money, they won't like pride will not let them go back.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
pride goes before you fall, sharp.
Anyways,
That
And it's only fans that won't go before you fall.
moving on. Jeff Bezos on the road to becoming a trillionaire as CEO of Amazon.
With that, oh.
I don't know what's he doing. Like what's he doing again?
He's on his road to becoming a trillionaire.
He has to be doing drugs too.
No,
I love that guy, man.
see, the thing is, that there's two sides to it. The world is split. People are like, wow, all's good, but everybody's like, how can someone make so much money? Like,
Exactly.
how can somebody make it so much money? What is this? What is he buying?
My question is, what is he doing again, though? Like, Amazon hasn't done anything different. Like,
No, but if you
or
think
if you
about
want to
it,
buy
if you
anything
think about it
online.
with the COVID and people staying at home, Amazon is making money because
Yeah.
everybody's buying something online.
Increased drastically.
Everybody's
Yeah.
buying something
but you're
online.
buying something online now that the shipping logistics has been like scattered. Like, bro,
That's not your problem.
but that's Amazon's problem, though. Because
Yeah, but if
they
you've
have
saw-
a whole for one of their drop shipping side of lines of business. They have their whole warehouse that they manage. A lot of things there they can't even really deliver. So you're getting money from people that you haven't fulfilled the orders yet.
Yeah, but that's the customer's fault. Like, that's your fault for buying. If you know that they're not going to deliver on their promises, then that's your fault for buying. Like my man Jeff just bought like 12 pairs of shoes, all delivered by Amazon Prime.
Amazon Prime.
King of Win City.
Yeah, it's like normally, even before this
My
COVID,
God.
right? If you want to buy anything online, like if not your first thought, like your second thought is Amazon.
Amazon.
Now think about it. Like before this
like your
COVID,
first thought
your
maybe.
first thought is either Amazon or that is your second thought, and then now COVID. That's since March. Since March, bro, everybody's just sitting at home.
Maybe because
So
I know they have
people
this
that
whole
are-
Amazon Web Services. I don't know if you guys know about it. Like that one is on. I don't really know in details what they are doing, but it's I think network security. Or I don't know, but something about IT. Maybe now that a lot of companies are working from home, they now have to like restructure their whole network system, and probably that is another source of income for them because it's some cloud-based storage system where you're doing something of that line. So because of this now, maybe more orders from Amazon, and then even the Amazon Web Services, AWS, they're now making a lot of money from there because more and more subscriptions. People are working more in the cloud because everybody needs access to it, and IT is just going crazy. But a trillionaire,
and they have the
his
TVs
divorce.
too. They have Amazon TV.
Yeah.
So
That's
people
true.
are in subscriptions are
That's another
increasing.
place. That's
Subscriptions
another
are
place,
increasing,
bro.
and they sell like digital copies of movies and all of that. So people are, if you are not subscribing, you are buying the movies.
Nah, that guy,
Bro,
man.
like they got means. bro.
A lot of people are annoyed.
Why?
because
Why?
Some people don't understand. Like, we've never heard, like we've been saying trillion. We've never understood what it means to be a trillionaire. I think if you become a trillionaire, what tax bracket are you in?
They have to.
There has to be a new policy for you. They have to develop a whole banking system.
But you know the funny thing, that guy will be a trillionaire and will not pay taxes.
I can't see that for sure.
Oh yeah, bro, with ease, with ease. Last year, Amazon didn't pay taxes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that guy will hit that and will not pay taxes, bro. I'm telling you.
That's probably why he's quick rising like this.
Yeah, they will move, bro. There was this video I was watching. It's explained on YouTube. There's this particular episode for billionaires, bro. For every tax, for anything tax related that you want to evade, there's a particular country that if you move money there, they will do it for you. So like Cayman Islands, I think it's for hereditary or something tax, like wealth you got from your generation to generation.
Yeah.
Apparently they tax that one too. But if you move stuff there, they don't. You evade the tax there. Income tax. If you move all those people, they would rather pay their accountants in millions.
I just realized that NASA is a fraud.
Bro, we're prepping because when we get there, bro.
Don't say too much because right now you are implicating me as an accountant. Let's keep it on the low. Whatever happens.
Yeah, bro. Now, but like, trust me, there are many places. There are ways you can.
But there's also the flip side where people are saying, "Oh, Amazon workers are not getting compensated well enough. Hazard pay is being suspended."
All that. Probably weren't saying that until they saw this trillion news. Until they saw this trillion.
Where's the money for their work going to?
I guess. I'm just going to read some tweets. Someone said, if Jeff Bezos becomes a trillionaire and from that moment decides to spend $100 million per day, it will take him 30 years to spend his net worth.
Wow. You know, as his last release, right? Like the last time they calculated his net worth, and when he was number one, even before he divorced his wife, this guy had to spend I think it was 150,000 a day.
Who's that?
Jeff Bezos, to not go for his net worth to remain the way it is in a year.
And
that's how much he had to spend on a day.
And this is coming from someone who just lost a divorce.
Yeah, bro.
So like what, 38 billion, 40 billion?
More than that. I think it was around like 50 something, 48.
And he's still on track to be a trillionaire.
Yeah, bro.
Well, so what Nigeria said, come. So what can someone do to be like Jeff Bezos?
You have a lot of things to do.
No, there's nothing you can do, bro. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can. Everything has been done.
Only fans cannot save you. Only fans cannot save you.
No, because Jeff has his hands in like everything, bro.
Nah, he does, man.
What you need to succeed, he is there, bro.
It's not when if his baby mama self, you'll be rich by God's grace.
Fam.
And you know what I was thinking?
Even his housekeeper self will be rich.
Yo,
I was thinking if his wife could have just waited a little bit longer, just barely.
No, but like
bit.
in her defense, so she even the divorce. Apparently, she could get more, but she chose to take whatever she took.
She's
nice. She wasn't even about his money.
I guess
she's a queen. She's a queen.
I guess.
Stand with her, man.
That was just rules in the ranks of rich women. Those rules.
But she was. So I know. I'm not even in support of this whole like halving thing when divorce comes into play. But she paid her dues. When Amazon was nothing, she was with Jeff, and they rode Amazon to where it got to before she parted ways.
Makes sense.
So like she deserved, she deserved her own pay. But that Jeff guy, I'm pretty sure he gave her whatever he wanted to give her because he knew that, man.
There was no saving it.
But yo, do you guys know that Future has like 9 baby mamas?
That's what I was just about to say, yo.
Oh yeah, bro.
Not 9, but like 6 baby mamas. No, 7.
No, 7
Future.
No, 7 kids. 7 kids from 6 baby mamas.
6 baby mamas?
6 baby
I
mamas,
think
7
more than
kids.
that, bro.
No, 7 baby mamas.
I there's a new one. Child.
That's the 7th one.
Oh, one is
the one that he doesn't want to agree.
But how does he have a new one when he's in love? I don't get it.
When did he say that?
In love with you.
When did he say that?
Have it, but
He
he's
did
in
not
love.
say love. Where did he say it?
In his new song now.
Man, that's the 8th baby mama loading.
No, he's been so this test. So that this case has been like a year at least. The case has been at least a year. So I don't know when he got in touch with Lori Harvey, but the girl has been trying to get him to do paternity test for at least a year now.
Yeah,
so.
and he has been denying it.
Yeah, so
You
the
know,
judge just recently
They
told him
always
to
deny.
But like that, like even this Lori Harvey, whatever her name is, like, what exactly are you getting yourself into?
Exactly, because I don't know.
Like that's 7
that person
baby
had
mamas.
daddies. Like, for everybody knows Steve Harvey, but like I don't understand why. You know,
She's
Lori Harvey is
independent.
related to Steve Harvey.
He's Steve Harvey's
his
daughter.
daughter.
Yeah.
Is that the one that's dating Memphis Depay?
I don't think it's Lori.
Lori Harvey is Steve Harvey's daughter. Steve Harvey that does all these old talk shows thingy.
Yeah.
Steve!
That's the big.
Yeah. Family Feud.
Yeah.
He hasn't, all this his long talk, he hasn't given her her own.
That's what I was saying. Like, you haven't, your daughter has not, when he says men has come, men have babies. So she's not listening to her daddy's talk.
She's not. Is she not American? She's just going to close door. The dad cannot do anything. The dad cannot do anything.
Say, wow.
Steve-O.
When I found that was his daughter, I was like, Steve, man, think like a man.
I know. Oh man. Maybe you see, people. This is what people need to understand, right? Like, always at the end of the day, they always know that what these people are saying is just because that's what you want to hear.
Exactly.
Like, once we as a community, as people understand this thing, life will be easy. Steve will be telling you, 90-day test, don't do this for 90 days, and women will be there, one girl will be clapping,
And the child go the
Look
galavant.
at what's going on.
Yeah. It's as easy as that.